Introducing the QC11K30X3200, our flagship hydraulic guillotine shearing machine, engineered for those who demand superior performance in heavy plate cutting. Where other machines struggle, the QC11K excels. Its core strength lies in effortlessly shearing steel plates up to 30 millimeters thick and 3,200 millimeters wide. We achieve this through a rigid, reinforced frame that eliminates deflection and a powerful, precision-engineered hydraulic system that delivers consistent, unstoppable cutting force. The result? Clean, square, and burr-minimized cuts in a single pass, even on the toughest materials. This isn't just about power, it's about reliable precision. This robust performance, combined with our advanced CNC system, drastically reduces downtime and maximizes your workshop's productivity.